Okay, today it's going to be the easiest hand sanitizer in the world. And guess what? The CDC and the WHO's gonna love this one too. And too bad they didn't think of it, because it's really easy. And I'll explain the principle on this in a minute, okay? And when you have nothing left, when you have no hand sanitizer whatsoever, if you really look into this and if you research into this, and that's why they made soap, is the easiest thing to kill germs. Yup. Believe it or not. And no, this is for you to put on your hand. Yup. I'll explain a little bit. Okay. Here's a virus or bacteria. They are in a protective shell. You put these on top of it, it breaks the protective shell and it kills the protein. And yes, if you research in isopropyl or SLES, that's what they use, okay, to take the oil. So they neutralize the oil. I don't have my tester here, but if you take dish soap and you put about just 10% of vinegar, just vinegar alone, you would bring the pH balance all the way down, like at least 5 to 10% of that. Yup. If you don't believe me, research into it and do it yourself and buy a little test kit and test it yourself. But anyway, this video is not about that, but that's how much I know about these things. Okay, that's all I'm going to tell you. And here's the thing: go to the store. Get the bubble bath, the gentle one. Get the baby bath or the baby shampoo, the gentle one. Okay? And just get regular hand soap would do. And sometimes they have a little oil in them. That's okay. But if you are on the go and you want, because you don't want it to be really sticky because of these. Sometimes some of these make really sticky. Get the bubble bath, the light version, okay? And you will see the 2 ingredients in there. It'll tell you sodium laureth sulfate and isopropyl. Those are the 2 ingredients that mostly of these days now. And guess what I'm going to tell you? Use it straight, because here's the thing: we don't have any water to wash. Take these, put it in your squirt bottles, and yes, I've tested baby shampoo. Baby shampoo and baby bath is the best one of all, and nobody knows this information. And guess what? I'll show you right here. Put a little on you, just like you would. Look. Okay? Just like that. And let it dry. And remember, because these agent in here, the soap agent, attacks water molecule because it has to bind into it. It breaks that shell right away. I'm surprised that the CDC and the WHO does not test this one. That's why this soap is so successful. And that's it. Look. Look how nice my hand is. It's not as smooth like we want them to. But look. It's possible. Make sure to get all your little fingernails and stuff. And you're all set. And it is possible, yes. Just don't even wash, because there's no point of washing. Here's the thing. Don't eat with it. You can, though. You can actually eat these. Some of them, yeah. They're so gentle that you can. But I'm not telling you to, okay? But I said that you can. 2. Don't touch anything. Don't let your pets or anything touch it, because there's no way. These are for the people on the go. Please remember that, okay? And for the last option, because there's no way you'll be able to wash. I even put this on there for you. Yes, I tested all day today. And I was so excited to make this video. And I said, you know what? Even the CDCs and the WHO does not know this one. Can you imagine? They're supposed to know all this, right? I'm surprised they didn't go and test it. Okay? Let it dry. The secret is you want the soap to take away their water molecules. Yep. And that's it. When you get home, okay? When you get home, you wash all this off before you do anything, okay? And guess what? During that time, if something laying on top of that, it won't stay either. So it's actually double protection, to be honest. Because right now, I have soap all over me. If one of them land on here, the water molecule will start to break off right away because the soap agent is still on my hand right now. Can you believe that? And that's why I said it probably, although I'm not 100% sure, but it should be tested. They should test this. And it's probably double the protection. Believe it or not. And that's it. Okay? Sometimes I don't like soap, the dishwashing soap, but if you don't have the other ones, it will work too. Because mainly, most of them have cocamidal propylbutane and sodium lauryl sulfate. A lot of dishwashing detergents and all that stuff, they all that right now. That's why they're becoming really cheap. But, see? And it's still okay. But, remember, this is your last option. And don't freak out yet, because these will save you. These will save us. And like I said, my best one of all, baby bath. The gentle baby bath. And if you can get the Dawn gentle and free, that would be nice too. But baby bubble bath is cheaper. I don't know. See? Look at that. You think anything gonna be able to live there? Good luck to you. I'm doing it straight. And see? Once in weeks, here's the thing, and that's why this liquid soap is so successful. It's because when they attach into water molecules, they neutralize the water molecules. So if the virus is going around in a ball of water molecule, that water molecule protection's going to break right away, and it's going to expose them right away. Yup. So they won't be able to live. And like I said, and I'll say one more time, I'm surprised the CDC and the WHO does not recommend this at all. For the last option, this is for the last option. But like I stated, and I stated in many of my videos, always wash your hands. If you are at home, no need to do this. Just wash your hands. And if you have pets and stuff and they go out to pee, poop, or whatever, and you touch them or whatever, just put just a little bleach and water, and you're all set. It's 1/10 of 2/5 of 2/4. I'm sorry. So here's how you do it. You take 1 cup of bleach. You put into 1/4 cup of water. I'm sorry, 3 cups of water. Then you split that into 1/10 of the percent, which is end up to 0.5%. And you wash with that, and it'll work too. That's the best option, actually. But remember, this video is for the people who cannot get hand sanitizer. Okay? And remember, hand sanitizer, you're not supposed to touch your hand. You're not supposed to eat with them anyway. So it doesn't matter if you have sanitizer or not. But because we don't have that option anymore, here's your hand sanitizer. Use it straight. And you are all set. Yep. I'm so excited today, I swear. I was like, why don't they just put it on straight? So when I went to the store and I test them out. Oh my God. I found out baby shampoos is the best one of them all for this. And see, leave it like that. Because right now you can't wash anyway. Just like that. It ain't gonna harm you. See? And leave it. It's going to dry a little bit, but when you get home, you can always put lotion on to make up for it. Because you're on the go. You're out in the public. You don't have any other option. Here it is. Now you have an option. Okay? So don't worry yet. I say yet. There's your answer right there. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. And I washed, and I did it 3 times, and it's still smooth. Look at that. I know, before I go, look at that. It's still smooth. And I did it 3 times. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope that this is useful to you. And like I said, this is for outside only. And when the time comes, and you have nothing left, these are your easiest option, and they'll be the easiest hand sanitizer in the world. And I'm pretty sure the CDC and the WHO will prove this in an instant. Other than that, that's about it. And I will see you in the next video. Okay?